Hi, guess what? We have another operation to do with fractions. Today we are going to do division. So we are going to divide a fraction by a whole number. Our dividend here is 3/5, so I'm going to get out 3/5. 1, 2, 3. And our divisor is 3. So I'm going to get 3 Skittles. 1, 2, 3. Now in division, we share fairly. So I'm going to give this Skittle 1/5, and if that one gets 1/5, then this one also needs 1/5, and this one also needs 1/5. Now we can see that our answer is fair. Each Skittle gets 1/5, and in division, the answer is what a unit gets, so our answer is 1/5. And our answer in division is called our quotient. So our quotient is 1/5. Now the Skittles come from the stamp game, and you may not have these at home. Hopefully you have those fraction pieces that you're working with or some that you've made. But if you don't have the Skittles, you can use anything. Maybe you find some rocks or some pencils. So let's do one with pencils because you most likely won't have Skittles at home. So those are going to be my units for my whole number. And this time, let's take 6/8 and divide that by 3. So we're going to take 6/8 and we're going to divide it by 3. I'm going to get out my dividend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6/8, and my divisor is 3. So I'm going to use pencils this time for my divisor. Okay, so here's my 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we need to share fairly, so I'm going to give them each 1. And I have more left over, so I'm going to give them each another 1. And now I have used all 6 of my 8ths, and I can see that each pencil or each unit gets 2/8. So my quotient is 2/8. Now remember, we might have an equivalent fraction and we want to write our answer in simplest form. So we're going to see what we have. And 1/8 or 2/8 is the same as 1/4. Okay? So I can trade each of my 2/8 for 4ths. And now we can see that each unit got 1/4. So our quotient is 1/4. 6/8 divided by 3 equals 2/8, which equals 1/4. Okay, so that is how you divide fractions by whole numbers. Good luck.